What's up, bro? That's Wynwood Wall in downtown Miami. So you can see around me a lot of arts. People usually come here to take some photo or record some video. Look this one here. Strong recommend you come here. You can find a lot of arts. You can buy a picture inside the gallery. Look this one here. It's beautiful, right? Look this one here. That's big, man. That's well awesome. If you type down your GPS, Wynwood Wall, downtown Miami. Look this one here, behind me. You see? It's like an airplane, a cat on top of. Oh, that's the gallery. You see? I'm gonna show you up here, guys. But this is really nice. You don't need to spend more than 1 hour here in Wynwood Wall, downtown Miami. Just 1 hour is gonna be enough. Look at that. See? Look this one here. I like this one here. Yeah. But it's beautiful. The quality, like all details, you know, they take a look this one here. You can buy some if you like it. It's quite expensive. I'm gonna show you what the price, some of them. I'm gonna record a little bit more for you. You see? That's a beautiful place. I like places like that, man. So one day you can visit here, Wynwood Wall, and then you can get Miami Beach. That's where I'm going right now, okay? So I wanna go to Miami Beach, but before that, I'm gonna put my AC to work. I'm gonna go to Miami Beach right now. That's what I'm saying. One day you can go to Miami Beach and come down here. Come down here first. After that, you go to Miami Beach because I mean, so hot. Florida is so hot, right? Let's enjoy Miami Beach.
Now, baby, stand up.
Hey, look this one here. I'm downtown Miami. You see it here? You see? That's Florida life. That's Florida life, man. You see? We're gonna go.